Everything you need to know about a yarn is on its label. It will include symbols that tell you how to crochet with it and how to clean it. Here is just a selection of the most common symbols. Always keep the labels, they are vital for identifying the yarn. If you run short and need more, new yarn needs to have the same by lot number as the optional purchase in order to avoid a slight difference in color in the finished item. Yarn manufacturers may use a system of symbols to give details of a yarn. These include descriptions of suitable hooks and the required tension. Let's familiarize the different symbols. Yarn weight and thickness. Recommended crochet hook size. Tension over 10 centimeters for inches test square. Shade color number. By lot number. Weight of ball or skein. Fiber content. Machine wash cold. Machine wash cold. Gentle cycle. Hand wash cold. Hand wash warm. Do not bleach. Dry cleanable in any solvent. Dry cleanable in certain solvents. Do not dry clean. Do not tumble dry. Do not iron. Iron on a low heat. Iron on a medium heat.